So today we are going to see how to make WhatsApp icons, especially for groups or for our own also DP we can put it if we want. But we will see how to design it very beautifully. So in case Pruji, you have any question regarding yesterday. Also, yesterday I could see many devotees have designed very nice poster. Our Amal Hari Prabhu has designed a very good poster. So that he have sent me on WhatsApp. That was very beautiful. Pruji, if you want, you can share your screen and show all of us that poster regarding value education contest. Is it possible?
Sure, Prabhu.
Pruji?
Yes, Prabhu, I'll share. But you have to unshare your screen.
Yes, Pruji, I have stopped, Pruji.
So I'm showing the presentation.
Yes, Pruji, I will tell Pruji. So yesterday Pruji have shared this poster with me. This is really very nice poster. The only thing is that font can be little proper. This font looks like the horror font, Pruji. If we design poster for horror like theme, like Halloween Day or something, then it is very good. But for VEC contest, it is not that good. So you are asking Pruji how to change the font now?
No, Prabhu. I was talking about. I mean, you see this. Sorry, images. I wanted to make this as the edges as oval.
Okay, soft edges.
Soft edges, correct. I mean,
yes, Pruji.
Even with this, I wanted to make the edges different, but I couldn't make, so I couldn't find that option.
Okay, it's very simple, Pruji. You can simply click on the image first of all.
Okay, Prabhu.
Now you can go to format. Format, last, Pruji, last. Now in this picture effects is there, Pruji, in between. Yeah, in this soft edges is there, fifth option. In that you can choose to any extent you want to make soft. Like that you are asking, Pruji, or something else?
Not exactly like this, Prabhu. I mean, if I put this as soft edges, it blurred the outside of it. But I was also wondering if I can. I mean, okay. I mean, this edges are pointed, so how can I make it like?
Okay, round. You are saying, Pruji, round.
Yes.
Okay. It is also very simple, Pruji. You can click on the image again, and first of all, you can remove this effect which we have put. Go to picture effects, soft edges, and no soft edges. No, not glow. Okay, glow also you can remove. Again, Pruji, soft edges, no soft edges. No, not glow, Pruji, soft edges. Next option. No soft edges. Now, Pruji, you have already clicked on it. Now you go to crop. You can see in the same line. Yeah, here. And now you click on the arrow below. Arrow. No, the arrow below, Pruji. Arrow to below to crop. Yeah, this one. And now you go to crop to shape. Now here you want, I think, the shape which is shown in second, Pruji, second option. You can simply click on it like this.
Yes, yes, Prabhu, yes.
Yes, Pruji.
This is what I wanted. Okay, Prabhu.
Yes, Pruji. Also, Pruji, don't remove your screen. I will tell one more thing.
Yes, Prabhu.
Here, Pruji, very important thing to know that while we are adding photos now, they should not be blur. Like here you can see photo of Srila Prabhupada, SCON and Bhagavad Gita. They're blur, Pruji. So try to take images. This I'm telling for everyone, Pruji. Try to take images from internet which are in good quality, Pruji. Like that. Also, one more very important thing, never try to extend any image. Extend means the image which is there in its original shape and size, it should be put like that only. It looks good. Otherwise, if you will stretch it like horizontally or vertically or try to make it to our shape, then sometimes it appears very not very nice. Like you can see the image of Bhagavad Gita here. It appears as if we have squeezed the image like this.
Yes, sir.
So it is always good to crop the image. We can crop it and we can make it to our size rather than squeezing it or things like that. Yes, Pruji, now it looks better. So you can simply crop it later on like that.
Okay, Prabhu.
Thank you, Proji. You can stop sharing, Proji.
Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Yes, Proji, I will share. Or our Anandan Pro also. Anandan Pro, he shared very beautiful poster yesterday actually. I will share with all of you. It's there in my mail. That one I already sent to Proji also, our Tarun Mohan Pro. He appreciated very much. It was very beautiful poster. Like that. So this one is the poster. You are able to see, Proji? Or I have not shared my screen?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. Yeah. Here is the poster he has made. See, Guruji, very nice poster actually. Value education contest based on Bhagavad Gita, and all the details are there. And very nicely he has put images also, like image of smartwatch, cycle. Prove how you have put them. You have taken PNG. Anandan Pro?
Roger, I took a few of them have the square background, so I removed background by double clicking on the image and remove background. There was like one option.
Correct. And then how you have made them looks like 3D, like here.
Like this one, I added the reflection, and above 3, reflection was not good, so I added shadow. So
okay. Yes, it is very good. I sent to Proji. He also appreciated very much. So that is really nice. Then, okay, Proji. Anyone else also, I think. Who else shared? Our Webhopru shared, but it was very different what Webhopru shared. I understand he does not have laptop. He makes on his phone. So that is also appreciable. Thank you, Webhopru. And Cyclone Pro is already making. Gopi Pro is not doing anything.
I did half only, Prabhuji. I will do today.
Yes, Pradeep. Please do and send now.
Prabhuji.
Yeah. And Sandeep is also doing, I think. Hana Pradeep?
Doing, but I made it, but it is not looking that much good. I'll change something.
If you want, you can share, Praji. We can evaluate it here, Praji.
Okay, I'll share, but I'll also tell what I'll change.
Okay, Praji. You can share, Praji. If all of you want, Praji, you can also put your video on. It will become very personal. Now only names are visible.
Is it visible?
Yes, Praji, this is visible. This is nice, Praji.
These images are not looking that much big. I'm thinking to change this format.
Yes, Praji. Okay, yeah, Praji. Also, okay, you have used Smart Art, Praji, na? A lot.
Smart Art?
Smart
Art. This one.
And here also, na, for
this one.
VEC booklet.
VEC booklet. This one also.
This is a nice Praji. Only thing is, okay, you could see now, Praji, that font Black Canary.
That I downloaded and installed. Now it's visible. This is Black Canary.
Yeah. Yes, Praji. So, Value Education Contest based on Bhagavad Gita. Wow, great prizes to be won. Yes, Praji. This is also very nice. Only thing is, Praji, this is very nice in information. Like it is giving very good information.
It is information based, not eye catchy, right?
No, it will become eye catching also, Praji. Only few things we have to change. First of all, Praji, ISKCON logo can be in the corner, like that. And then Srila Prabhupada also photo also in corner and should be little small. It should be of the same size as logo of ISKCON, like that. And this is good, Praji. Only the combination of colors is little different. Matlab, if it can be made little nice, it will look very good. Also, the background which you choose na, Praji, like the green color background, that is somewhat dull. Matlab, if you can choose a more bright background, it will look very beautiful.
Okay.
like that. It is right now also bright because green and yellow some combinations are there, but still it can be more brighter project. Matlab, green should be more bright, light should be there more, like that. Apart of them, this last strip you have added now regarding registrations.
Hmm.
So this you can put on a white strip, then it will be very much visible. Anybody,
Okay.
not registrations, the strip below where the information is given.
Acha, this one.
Project this one. So simply you can just choose a white background for it. Shape fill you can go. Shape fill and white background. Then it will come very beautiful.
Acha, I was thinking how to. I forgot.
Yes, please. Simple project. First you have to click on the shape first. Now you go to format, shape format, last option. No, project. Last tab. Shape for. Acha, here only. You are. What happened? Okay, you have to again click on the shape on the text where you have put project.
This one.
Yeah, now it will come.
With format.
Yes, Puji. Now shape fill is there. Fifth one. You can just choose white. Yes, Puji. So now you have to arrange your font also. The font. Yes, Puji. That you can do. Plus registration के सामने पुजी आपने ये लगाया है टिक लगाया है. That you can choose some nice. You can choose some nice PNGs. They are available on internet. Puji.
Okay.
And yes, Puji. And your heading na Puji, value education contest. This looks not very eye-catching. So you can make it Puji. You can choose maybe white color as shape background. Simply white background. White for shape. Because your background is green now, so it will look good Puji, white. Just go to shape format and shape fill. So now it is white. Now value education contest can be somewhat bigger in size, just one more. Yeah, it can be 24 Puji, no problem. Yeah. So and it can be in dark blue color Puji. Dark blue color you can take for value education contest. There is one color in here that is very beautiful. Dark blue. It looks very professional.
Dark blue. This one.
Yeah. Yes, this one. So this looks very good. Based on Bhagavad Gita is fine. It is in silver color, like that. And also you have added this emoji. Napuji. Wow, great prizes to be won. This is very nice. This is eye-catching. This makes people understand that, like that. And little in color combination scheme can be somewhat changed, where you have written laptop, bicycle, consolation prize.
This one.
We can choose a different color scheme project. Like it can be we can see all in that. It is very much there project, which you want na, that one. Many options are already there. Here only. They are very good. We can take something from that.
Maybe something right.
So, Puji, I will show you something, Puji.
Okay.
So now what you have taken is very nice, Puji. This one now. This one is nice. And the only thing is, Puji, one more. Please choose some very nice background. That will make it very good. Looks good. Yes, Puji. Overall, it is very good. Like that.
Okay, I'll change the background something.
Yes, Puji. I will share my screen, Puji.
Okay.
Yes, Puji. Thank you, Sandeep Bro. Anyone else want to show poster? Okay. I think done now, Puji. Yeah. So I was showing you, Puji, some poster, that first value education contest poster we had made now. Or I can. This was the first one which we have made. This one, Proji. So here you can see, Proji, everything looks very sharp and very clear. So, and you can see the background also. Background is very bright. Actually, I have searched a lot for the background. I will show you, Proji. All these backgrounds I have searched. I thought for this one, then this one, then this one. Then this one I thought. Then I found this one very bright and very beautiful. So I took that one. Otherwise, I have taken so many projects that which one I should put like that. Even I thought for this one, this was very good, but I could not write anything on it. Like that, project. Yes, project. So to we should spend sufficient time to select a proper background, and then we can go ahead, project, like that. And if you want, you can add some what we say shapes like this, like I have added now this one. This also looks very good. And yes, Proji. Yes, Proji. So now I will show you, Proji, for today what I thought we will do. So I will simply design what I was telling, Proji. Our WhatsApp icon, like that. So because I want to design a WhatsApp icon, so for that I should take a square shape sheet. So I will simply go to design, slide size, custom slide size, and I will take 1414. So Proji, how much dimension you take now, that also matters a lot, especially if you are going to what we say, if you're going to print your posters, because while printing, if you have taken dimensions here very less now, let's say, because I have to make a square, so I can take 5 also now, 5 inches. So it will also make a square here, like that. But what will happen when I will send this photo for printing, it will become blur because my dimensions are very less. So that is why, to be on the safe side, we will take 1414. Now, if I have taken 14 inch and 14 inch, that time also it will be a square only, but it will be very clear. It will not become blur when I will zoom it like that. So that is why I'm taking 1414. You can also take 2424, or the higher the dimensions you will take, the more nice printing will come. If you send your posters for printing, that like that. I remember when I was in final year, Fuji, last year, we used to make many posters and we used to send posters for printing. And I have found that many posters came very blur. And then later on I found out, because I was making them on a less scale in PowerPoint. So that we can take care. So now we will make something on Friendship Day, Proji. So I thought to take one topic called FOLK, F-O-L-K, FOLK, that is called Family Friends of Lord Krishna, like that. So I will show you how to write a text very beautifully, Proji. But first we will insert an image here. One very nice image we will insert. So here I have got one very nice folder where images are too beautiful, Proji. They are like Rajasthani School of Art. If somebody has studied fine arts in their 11th class or 12th class, we used to have Rajdhani School of Art. So these images are very beautiful. So because it's a Friendship Day, I will take Friendship of Krishna Balram. So this image is very beautiful. You can see this is very detailed, very finely painted image. So now I will take it and I will do the same thing. I will make the edges soft. So I will go to Format, Pictures, Soft Edges. I will go to Soft Edges Options because I want extra soft edges, and I will simply make it like this. So right now you can see it looks so beautiful. Now it is not appearing as if I have taken some image or something like that. So I have taken this image first of all. Now the most important thing is to write our font, because we are only writing FOLK, FOLK, Friends of Lord Krishna, the full form of FOLK. So that's all we'll be doing for our image, but then how we write it matters a lot. So if we can see it very nicely, Puji, we will be very confident, and we will get this skill of writing text in any poster like that. So I will insert a text box. If I will go too fast, you can tell me. I will go slow also. But I think if it is fine, then we can, I'll go with the same speed project. So I have written folk project here, folk, Friends of Lord Krishna. I will increase the size like that. I will keep it here and simply I will write Friends of Lord Krishna. So now I will take for each letter a different text box. Let's say copy, paste, 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 paste. So I have taken 4 text box. In this I can write Krishna. In this I can write I can write Lord, Friends of Lord Krishna. In this I can write of, and then in this I can write friends. Yes, sir. So this is done. What happened? Yes, please. So now we have to arrange it very beautifully so that it looks very appealing. Like that. So what I will do, I will keep this fork on top and then Friends of Lord Krishna just below it. Like that. Friends of Lord Krishna. Let's say I'm writing like this. Friends of Lord Krishna. So now, Proji, I will show you how we can arrange it very beautifully so it comes nicely. So first of all, we will choose a proper font for it. Let's say because folk is written in all capital letters, so I will take some font which is very good in capital letters. Like this Abadi Extra Light is also very beautiful font for capital letters. And my favorite font, that is Black Canary, that does not look good for if all the letters are capital. You can see L is not coming very good like that. So then I will simply take, let's say this one, Bodhini empty, something I'm taking project so that it will look good. Or this is also very beautiful, Bell empty, like that. So I have taken fork in this way. Now for friends, I will take the same font, my favorite font, Black Canary. So we will take this. Friends looks very beautiful for that because first letter is capital and all the letters are small. So that's why. And off I will take in a different one. I will take in Poor Richard. This is one font. This also looks very beautiful, Proji. You can write down actually, because while we design na Proji, that time we get a lot of confusion. Which font should we use? And it takes a lot of time. If we know the font already, then it becomes very easy. Like similarly for Lord, I will take the same Poor Richard. And then for Krishna, I will take Black Canary. Like that. So now you can see the same image. It looks so beautiful now, Proji. But now we have to arrange it very nicely. So let's say folk can be on top here, and friends can be somewhat here, and I will reduce the size to 1 like that so that it fits very properly. Friends. Now off, I will reduce size to quite much. Let's say this much. I will reduce the size. Friends of I will put here. And Lord also, I will see what is the size of off. It is 48. And then for Lord also, I will keep 48. So 48 is the size for Lord also. Friends of Lord, I will put it in middle. And then Krishna size is perfect. Friends of Lord Krishna. Like that. So now it looks very beautiful, Proji. Now we have to see, because I have taken a white background, then what font color I should take so that it looks very beautiful. So now I will do one more thing, Proji. This is also one of the technique you can apply. I will simply go to shapes and I will put one line, one underline below folk. So that it appears as if folk is separate than the Friends of Lord Krishna. So this is the abbreviation folk, like that, Proji. So I will simply take, let's say one line I will take, and I will take from here to here, like that. So, and I will increase the width of this line. Oh, electricity went here. So you might be able to get very clear voice of mine. Fans are stopped. So yes, Praji, we were about to increase the width of the, here is the width option, Praji. I will simply increase it for my fork like that, this one. And I will choose one color. This color looks very beautiful, Praji. Especially if you are designing spiritual posters now, this saffron color looks very nice. So I have taken this orange, it is actually fork, and I will put one dot between each one of it. FOLK. And what I will do, I will simply first of all readjust it properly. Let's say like this. Then I will increase the shape of this line to little ahead of fork like this. And then I will only make the dots of this this orange color which we have taken just now. So I will simply select all the dots only. Control select like that, and I will put this dot of this color, orange color, project like that. So you can see it looks so beautiful, project. I don't know it looks so beautiful or not, but it looks good.
Yes, very nice.
Like that. I will change my position a little bit.
Very beautiful, Prabhuji.
Yes, it's really very nice, project. Now we will change the color of friends of Lord Krishna also, so that it looks good again. Now, one very important thing in poster designing, Proji, we should not put so many different colors also on a single poster. It will not look very good. Like if I make friends of different color, off of different color, Lord of different color, like I show you. If I simply make friends of red color, off of some blue color, then Lord of some green color, and then Krishna of some different color, like that. Let's say blue or orange. Yes, Praji?
Like Jem's chocolate. Yes, very good.
Praji, मुझे तो सुनाई नहीं देगा, फिर से बताइए.
वो जेम्स चॉकलेट एक खाते थे ना छोटा छोटा पैकेट में मल्टी कलर का.
अच्छा अच्छा. हाँ, yes, Praji, correct. So like this, even though it looks good here because my background is white, if you take some of some already colored something, these different colors that does not look good. So one very good technique which we can use in our poster designing is to keep a poster in a single theme. Let's say I have taken orange color here, so it is very good if I can keep orange only all throughout, like that. So now best option is what I can do. I can simply put friends also in the same color, in this color, and then let's say Krishna also I'm putting in the same color, like that. And off and Lord I'm keeping off with this only black. So Lord Krishna can be little up, so like this. Yes, Praji. So now you can see it looks even good, but we can even try to change the color of friends in Krishna to something else, even though it looks very beautiful now also. But I will simply change it again. Let's say I'm keeping friends of dark blue color, let's say, and Krishna I'm keeping off saffron, this dark saffron color. So this also looks good because this blue color and dark red color is matching with the image, Proji. Blue is dhoti of Lord Balram and red is the belt of Lord Krishna, like that. So even this is looking good, but I will show you one more thing, Proji, how to make it even more beautiful, like that. So first of all, we will try to separate our friends of Lord Krishna. I will try to make it little down, then fox, so that it appears little different, like that. Let's say we will keep it on here only with blue color as friends, and what happens? Yes, Praji. So now it is like this. I hope it looks good, Praji. Fork, friends of Lord Krishna. Now I will show you one very nice technique, Praji. While I am designing a poster, it is always good to put some small images, to put very small images somewhere in the poster. It will make look poster very beautiful. It is like icing on a cake, like that. So I have already downloaded one image for a peacock feather, because whenever I'm writing Krishna, then we can always add an image of flute or peacock feather. It will look very beautiful. So Sorry, Proji. So we'll, I have saved it somewhere already. Not here. बहुत गर्मी लग रहा है यहाँ पे. Because light चला गया Proji. Kanpur is very hot. Hyderabad was hot when I was there. When Hyderabad became cool, I came to Kanpur. Here it is hot, like that. So we will go to poster designing. Here is the image project. I have already downloaded it from internet. You will simply type peacock feather. You will get this image like that. So, but you will find this image is there with a background. Though I tried to download PNG, but this PNG came with this square background. Nowadays, very difficult to find pure PNGs. Like it is very difficult to find pure devotee in this world. Like that, very difficult to find pure PNG on Google. Like that for you. So, but I have one option. I can simply select the image. I will go to format and I will go to the first option, that is remove background, and I will remove the background like this. And I will click outside. So now the background is removed, Proji. Like that. Now I will add this image on the A of Krishna, where it's A now. Like that, Proji.
Oh, can you please repeat this step?
Proji, I will repeat. Let's say I went to internet, Proji. I simply took one peacock feather image. Peacock feather PNG of letter Y. This I searched previously. I'll go to images. I will simply try to take one beautiful peacock image. It can be just PNG like that. So here I should find that, but where it is? Okay, I will find it in clip art maybe. Vector, single call, creative, clip art. Like that. So here I'm getting in clip art. This is also a very beautiful image, but I'm searching for mine one. Okay, maybe I have to search it a little bit. But let's say I have downloaded one image from internet like this. So right now I have this image, but background is not there in it. I mean, background is there in it. I have to remove the background. So I will simply go to, I will simply click on this image. Now, as soon as I click on anything in my PowerPoint, I get one tab open called format. See, if I click outside, now the format is not there. I will click on image, I will get this format option. I will simply go to format and the first option says remove background. Now, this option does not work well always. If my image is very complicated, it will not be able to understand what background I should remove. But in this case, because image is very simple, I can simply remove background like this. Now it has shown pink of that point which it has removed. I will simply click outside. Like here I will click and now I have one image with me without background. I will reduce the size and I will simply paste it here on the last of A of Krishna like that. I can simply adjust it with my control arrow. It will give fine adjustment like that, like this. So now if I will do it, it will look very beautiful. See, Krishna. Now it looks so nice when I have added that small emoji, not emoji, small image there. So friends of Lord Krishna, FOLK, FOK. So now Pruji, because sorry. So you might have seen just now we were seeing a poster made by our Sandeep Pruji. So we have seen he has put one emoji, not emoji, one image in front of registration tab, and that says like tick. It is like that. So I will show you how we can have nice. Let's say I will simply write tick PNG. So I will get many PNGs for tick, and we can take the one which looks very beautiful like that. Like this one also looks beautiful. This one also is good. So many are there. Let's say we'll take this one. This is little 3D like that. And I will simply download it, save image as. On my desktop, I will save. And then I will simply go to my PPT and I will try to insert it. I will take from desktop. Desktop. Here it is, project. Like that. So now I have taken, it has come directly in form of PNG. So I can click it and I can fit anywhere like that. And because it's a very small image now, it looks very beautiful. If I will put somewhere, let's say I'll put in front of fog like this. So it looks very beautiful, Proji. Similarly, I have put this small image in front of Krishna. So that makes our poster looks very beautiful. Like in Hindi, we say na Alankar, Proji. So we have added Alankar to it like that. So now you see, now folk looks so beautiful with this small image like that. Though it is not proper here to put a tick image, but we can put some different image here for sure, like that. Now I will simply remove it. Now because it is, oh Pruji, we are already exceeding time. I will take 5 more minutes, Pruji, and we will finish this. So because it will going to be on WhatsApp and it is white background right now, I can simply try to put some background to it. So I will click outside. Yes, Praji. So many options are there in Zoom. I became confused. Yes, Praji. So I will simply go to first option, solid fill, and I will try to see which one will look good. This one is not looking good, very dark. This one is good, Praji. This one fits also with our image of Krishna Balram. And if I want to still make it little light, I can make it by increasing the transparency like this. So now it looks very beautiful. It should look very beautiful like that. Now I will show you one last thing, Proji, and our image, our icon is ready. So now because it will going to be on WhatsApp, so we have to be thoughtful. Now where my designing will going to work, because right now it will work on WhatsApp. So I have to give it a certain shape. Now, if you remember, Proji, on WhatsApp, I see everything in round. When somebody click on my image, then only he can see a square photo, like we have taken square here. Otherwise, it always comes on round like that. So I will try to add some border, which is round, Proji, like that. So I will simply go to, again, internet. I will find out round borders, round PNG, let's say. So I will go to images and I will simply select some nice PNG for round, which will work. Like this one is also beautiful. Oh, electricity came back for you. Like that. This one is beautiful, but it is taking so much space. We will try to take something more simpler. These all are too much. This one is good, but this one is very simple. This one is also good. Oh, this one is very beautiful. Let's say I'm taking this one. But again, this is having a background, Proji. Okay, let's see how much it will come. Otherwise, I will write something else. Round design people. Round design PNG. Yeah. I'm searching some PNG, Proji, where border is not very thick because we have to put it outside now. So then only it will come good. So this one is also very good, Proji. Stars. Okay, let's see, download it. We'll put and see. Like that. Yes, Proji. So now one last step, I will insert that as a border. Let's say I will try to insert this one first. So I will remove background. Now it has removed everything, Proji, even that design which was there na, previously. So this remove background doesn't work every time, but sometimes it works. So, but I think it will not work. Let's say if I take it to send to back, and I will increase it like this. Oh, it looks good now, Proji.
Yes, Prabhuji, very nice.
This is very beautiful actually. But the only problem is that it has a background. Let's say how it comes. So it's coming like this. As such, it looks very beautiful, but our work will not be done with this, so we'll delete it. We'll apply the different one which we have downloaded. Yeah.
Roji, last line, second one.
Yes, Raji. Thank you. Oh, this one also is not in PNG. Everything they are giving like that only. It will remain like this only. That's why remove background does not work every time as well. But we will not accept defeat. We will find some good PNG project. I think one I have already downloaded. I will take that one. Like this one is also good. If it is PNG, this will be good. But I don't know it will be PNG or not. I am taking a little extra time because today is Sunday. Already 5:36. With this we will finish. This is the last one. This also is not PNG. They say it is PNG, but this is not. See? Like this project. So some struggle will be there to find a good image. Like I told you, to find a pure PNG is very difficult nowadays on Google. Like to find a pure devotee. So these are all good. In fact, this one is also very beautiful project. So I'll take this one. I think our search will be over with this. Yes, Project. We have found a pure PNG in this dark age of Kali Yuga. So I will simply increase it and I will fit it and it's done, Project. Like this it will come. I think it looks good only. And we can go ahead and put on our icon like that. Like this, Project. Okay, Project. That's all from from my side. So what we have learned today, we have learned to how to put text in a very attractive way. Like here also you can see still it is not okay. Why I'm not able to select? Because my PNG is getting selected. So I will simply send it to back and now I can select my this. So now Lord Krishna, yes, I will see somebody is putting in chat. It's beautiful, Proji. Please send it to me. Pro, I will send it to you. You cannot speak, Pro. Today, your father is there around. Where, Pro? Yes, Proji. Yes, Prabhuji. Okay, Pro. No problem. Yes, Proji. So we can change it to little bit to. Come on, Pro. Holiday. Okay. Yeah, understandable. So I will shift it little bit to right side because it was not looking very good on left side. Maybe I'll keep it like that. Now, now it looks even good, Praji. Folk, friends of Lord Krishna, and we have put Krishna's photo. Now, when I will put this image on my WhatsApp, anybody can see, and it will appear with a design very beautifully on my icon. Friends of Lord Krishna, or anything you can write. Happy Friendship Day, or like tomorrow Balram Jayanti is there, so we can write Happy Balram Jayanti Appearance Day, and we can put one photo of Lord Balram Praji nearby. Okay, Praji. Thank you so much. We exceeded time. Any question, Praji? Any step? If it is not clear, as such, it is very easy. Yes, Ahin Shaw, Praji.
Good, Prabhu. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now, Pruji, I will say homework also for all of you. So for Amal Hari Pruji, you have to make your poster more refined now.
Okay, Prabhu.
You have to make it so that we can forward it to Pruji and he will also approve.
Okay, Prabhu.
Actually, what Pruji was also telling, Tarun Pru and Achyut Gopal Pru, and which I have also experienced, Pruji. This skill of poster designing is very good actually. If somebody can learn it now, especially nowadays, where Krishna consciousness, if somebody wants to spread, then people very much judge Krishna consciousness by externals. Like we say na, in the age of Kali Yuga, packaging very much matters. Like if I have this speaker Proji with me, so when I had purchased the speaker, then they had kept it in a very beautiful box, and then inside speaker was there. Similarly, if we want to spread Krishna consciousness, then we should package it very beautifully from outside so that people can value the substance of Krishna consciousness like this. So poster designing is very nice skill for that. And all of us, if we can learn now, then we can become of great value, especially to our superiors in Krishna consciousness, because this skill is very much required. At least I have experienced, Prabhuji. I have started learning from my third year, and I used to make some posters, some brochure, and then till final year, I could make so many things, Prabhuji, and it helped very much in our preaching in final year when I was there in 2019, last year, like that. So I will really request all of you can take it little seriously. And if we can learn this now, Prabhuji, then we can become a really great asset. And we will get a lot of mercy of our superiors like that. So for Amal Hari Prabhuji, your homework will be same. You have to more like refine your poster. You have to make it more presentable so that we can send it to Prabhuji. For yes, Prabhuji. For like Arundan Prabhu, he already did that poster yesterday very nicely. So I will request Arundan Prabhu, you can make a icon what we have designed today for tomorrow, because tomorrow is Balram Jayanti. So you can make just icon for a WhatsApp and for Balram Jayanti. Fine, Arundan Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, I will request all of you can put your videos on, Prabhuji. It will become very personal. Jaho, Gopi Prabhu is always with some devotee. Prabhu Prabhu is there. Yes, our Amal Hari Prabhu is also there. Vaibhav Prabhu will not some issues for him. And
Thank you very
Sai
much, Prabhu, for your
Prabhu
great
is
endeavors.
also there.
Although you are away from Hyderabad, you are giving your valuable time in making devotees to learn something valuable in Krishna consciousness.
I am very grateful to devotees, Puji. They are tolerating me. I am free here in room. I am quarantined. All day I am alone in room. So, oh, Jai Ho, Sandeep Prabhu, Hare Krishna. How come this magic Prabhu we can see you? You are speaking on mute, Prabhuji.
Oh. Oh, I raised a ticket to allow me to use Zoom.
Okay. Yes, Prabhuji. Yes, Prabhuji. So homework for Amal Hari Prabhu already given. Homework from Arundan Prabhu also given. You have to make one icon for Balram Jayanti Prabhu.
It should have Happy Balram Jayanti like that, or any quote. What should it?
It can have. It can be like this. Let's celebrate one of the most auspicious day of appearance day of Lord Balram, and you can write below Balram Jayanti like that. Yes, Prabhu. For Sai Kiran Prabhu, Prabhuji, your homework will be same.
I'll finish. Yeah, I'll come.
Yes, Prabhuji. You have to finish. I think now you might have got some idea also, Prabhuji, how we can make nice posters. So you have to do it, Prabhuji. Why, Prabhuji? You are sitting in a very dark room, Prabhuji. Okay, it's your choice, Prabhuji. And then for our Gopi Prabhu, your homework will be same, Prabhuji. Okay, Gopi Prabhu?
Okay, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji. So please make that poster. It is our request from Prabhuji, if we can have nice posters. And all of you can learn it now, then it will be very amazing. And our Sandeep Prabhu also, already Prabhuji made one very nice poster, but that needs like somewhat refinement, Prabhuji. Sandeep Prabhu. Prabhuji, your background is very beautiful. You are sitting in some garden or something behind, outside window.
Oh, no. Like big trees are there. But
Okay, Prabhuji.
आदित्य प्रभु जी आपको.
It is beautiful, Prabhuji. Correct. So, and for Vaibhav Prue, Prue, you can also try to make this icon. I think in your phone you can try. It does not require much complexity. Fine now, Vaibhav Prue. He might be writing in chat box. Okay, Prabhuji. So thank you so much, Prabhuji. Thank you so much for being together. We will meet tomorrow. Our so many devotees are there in yoga, going around. So of Gopi Prabhu, we can see.
Yes प्रभु जी.
Who went? Rakesh Prabhu, huh?
हाँ राकेश प्रभु.
Okay, okay. Hare Krishna, Rakesh Prabhu. Is
Hey.
able to hear?
Hare Krishna Prabhu ji.
Hare Krishna Prabhu, Dandavat Pranam.
Dandavat Pranam Prabhu ji.
Very happy to see you. Happy Friendship Day.
Thank you Prabhu ji. Happy Friendship Day.
Yes, Prabhu.
How are you Prabhu ji?
I am good. Hello, Naru.
Yes Prabhu, I am fine Prabhu ji.
Okay, okay. Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you so much for your time. We will meet tomorrow because tomorrow is working day. ये कौन है? अनिल Prabhu, हाँ? हरे कृष्णा अनिल Prabhu. Okay, Prabhuji. So we will meet tomorrow because tomorrow is working day. We will meet at 3 o'clock, Prabhuji. We shifted this time for weekend because Utkarsha classes were going on and some other things were there. So please take it little seriously. Make nice posters, Prabhuji, and be ready with your homework with tomorrow. For tomorrow, Prabhuji. So thank you so much. Happy Balram Jayanti in advance to all of you. So we'll meet tomorrow at 3 o'clock, Prabhuji.
Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Thank you for your association, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, how you could get haircut? Amal Hari, Prabhu? Yourself?
No, Prabhu, I went to the shop.
Arey, Prabhuji, you should be careful now. You should be quarantined for 14 days.
I will be quarantined in coming days for some day. I'm also traveling to Bahadurgarh temple.
Acha, you are going to temple, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhu.
Acha, for Janmashtami.
I was planning for Janmashtami, but there are no flights from here. I mean, my flight was booked for first, but it got auto rescheduled for 9th. I mean, it's a special flight which is coming from Calcutta.
You are
Else,
also special, Prabhuji.
Calcutta is completely isolated from. I mean, no flights are operating from all the major metro cities. So 9th there is a special flight. So I'll be going on 9th. If I go on 9th, I'm pretty sure that I'll not be made to attend Janmashtami because of the quarantine. But still, the association can be there, and it was a 3 months training that I got, so I had to be there.
Yes, Prabhuji, we pray for you for your safe, happy journey. And those who are at home, be safe at home, Prabhuji. I heard it's very much spreading nowadays.
Yes, Prabhu.
I came to Kanpur, I was very fearful, but fortunately, today is the 10th day I am in quarantine in room, and fortunately everything is fine here. So Lord mercy.
Yes, Prabhu. You came by flight only, Prabhu?
Yes, Prabhuji. I took for Lucknow, and then Lucknow I took cab for temple in Kanpur. Lucknow and Kanpur are very near.
Fair. Thank you so much, Prabhu.
Thank you, Prabhuji. So we'll meet tomorrow, 3 o'clock. Same place, same ID. Like that. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Prabhuji.